Want to know how to pay effortlessly with Revolut on your phone? Let me show you some quick and easy way to do just that. First up, the Revolut virtual card. Create a Revolut debit card in the Revolut app and use the card number, CVV and expiry date for online purchase. Perfect for sure shopping. Prefer Google Pay? No problem. Open the Google Pay app, tap your profile picture, select Add to Wallet and choose Payment Card. You can also add your Revolut card directly through the Revolut app under the card section. Apple user, you are covered too. Add your Revolut card to Apple Pay or quick and secure payments anywhere that accept contactless. Speaking of iPhone, you can also use Tap to Pay on iPhone. Just make sure you have a supported payment app and the latest iOS update. And for the online shopping, there's Revolut Pay. It lets you pay directly from your Revolut balance at checkout. Easy and convenient. Whether it's a store or online, Revolut makes paying simple and secure. Give it a try today and let us know your favorite method in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.